Very actually salute to the welcome for football and preaching. After match talk am how you see am. Senegal 0 and Netherlands 2. And we get Oga Loke we be like say now ogbonge football fan, very ogbonge person like that. Make on tell us about how you see this match. Oga Lucky, you know say this Senegal team now one team we be like say many of us because he has Nigeria not go this World Cup. We don't adopt them say now Senegal won't follow and then be African champions. But how you can't see their performance today against this Dutch national team?
Well, normally at first, the match, Senegal really play well because what I really expect, they play well, like, but at some points now, they got to misuse their chances. And normally football, and when you get a chance, you convert her. Like when the match is go on, and they tell one guy was that they say, this match, this one Senegal they misbuild like this, will not convert their chances. If Netherlands get one opportunity now, go. And I saw the ball already today. Although the team best me sharp because normally I really want Senegal win the match or make a draw.
Made a draw.
So they play well, very, very well to lose the match. You know, I not really bad with the game like that. To win the match, I not bad with like that.
Okay, now, okay, make I ask you. You know, say yesterday, Qatar and Ecuador, the other two people waiting for inside Group A, they play yesterday will be like, say, Qatar use Ecuador shine, still 2-0 too. But with what you see yesterday for that first game, the opening game for inside this World Cup, and what you see today, you get confidence, say, Senegal go fit qualify, come on for inside this group.
Normally, if they buckle up, they see fight back. I believe they see qualify because normally Ecuador will not be stronger side than Senegal. With what did they play yesterday and what did they play today. So I believe that Senegal will do more better than Ecuador. Just for Senegal to buckle up, bounce back. But another thing we see they pray for, main injury not go affect them. Because you know, if you see now, like even look this, if you watch today match now, and when this Konate injured, that the midfield will finish. If not, Senegal was really pressing Netherlands. If Netherlands, I did defend. So I believe say if all those their players like say the injury, like if Konate injury not too serious and they feel buckle up, I believe say they will see bounce back. Not be by to lose the starting of the game now. I be footing. If you see bounce back, if you see qualify. But I not see Ecuador beating Senegal. No. I not see them. Senegal can still beat Ecuador. Like QATAR na bonanza for the team. So don't not be saying that because they host, they must go anywhere. Anybody cash and steady trash.
So make I ask you now, Oga Loke. We know say Sadio Mane, African best African player of the year winner, and also second. Now you take second for the Ballon d'Or. You understand? Number 2 player for the world. He know if he go this World Cup because of that knee injury, and he don't do surgery. When he talks, say the surgery makes sense. Everywhere good for the surgery. Now for him to recover. How you think say this team miss Sadio Mane today for inside this match with what you see?
They miss Sadio Mane very well because normally if Sadio Mane dey at least 1 or 2 chances if you convert them. Like there are several chances where like say players against 1-on-1. See that Bam get like 2 chances with just 1 defender. 2 people they behind that they come. At least even if you don't even score the goal, bring something from there. If you fire you cause penalty or do anything, if you win corner, this one you don't win anything, you just lost the ball. But when Sadio Mane dey for that position now, something must come aside. So the team, I not gonna lie for you, they really miss Sadio Mane well. Every time I see the team, they really miss Sadio Mane well.
So Oga Lucky, now which team should you predict say go win the World Cup?
So me, I always deal with Portugal, so I'm not going to be saying that Portugal won't win.
But I say you be Ronaldo FC.
Normally for sure. I because Ronaldo made me love football, so because I'm a network of football now Ronaldo, so I don't want to hear anything self. If you like me, they spoil the game, may they play anything, they sweet me. As it stands now, when people criticize, I know they criticize, because I don't say na nature, you cannot shit nature. You don't hold, you don't try. So once some guy put they criticize, I go ask say who be your best player. Call out, tell me how many years your best player reign. The only person where you go visit compare and you not pass Lionel Messi. And now only this person, you know if you use Pele, you know if you use Maradona because now only the 2 go if they compare each other. They don't surpass all those records what those guys get. So to me, he's my best player and I always supported him. So I won't make he do well. Mostly now whether they get a counter with Manchester United and the rest. So I would like say they win ourselves based on serious if at all.
One last question for you, Oga Lucky. Who you think say go be the highest goal scorer for this World Cup?
Highest goal scorer. Now that question, like what I tell you, now Ronaldo I go see. Like Ronaldo I go see Colo. But normally like to the like of all the teams nowadays, like England now they get very, very brutal squad, like all of the best. Like just see Rashford now they just show that give your score. Some Zaka don't already get 2 goals. So you know if you just easily predict. I was even thinking maybe Harry Kane I go get more upper hand normally, but as Harry Kane not fit turn up so I know say maybe Saka did there and this Valencia, man, say Valencia have not gone anywhere, not to score 2 goals. Although World Cup, their goals, not the much. Who get 5 goals, 6 goals, if you can. So definitely, one player can still come from somewhere. But I see the tip Harry Kane, like Lukaku, but I don't know if Lukaku would play or if he's fit. Like Ronaldo, Messi, Messi did there. Messi is a good scorer as well. So, but for the Neymar, Benzema is out. Mbappe, that one, that one kill actually. The overhype it not too much. So Benzema pick, I believe, say is either Messi, Ronaldo, or Harry Kane. Among those 3 people, now one of them will win out.
All right, now, Galoki, thank you for your time.